Good morning, retail traders. I'm Washboardjim with the Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy, where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. And I want to talk about a trade yesterday about being prepared right when the bell rings, which I was not. And I had a great opportunity to call out. I called out this beautiful trade, and I looked over at my platform, and the thing wasn't ready yet. And I went, dadgummit. So it's a valuable lesson to be prepared and to set yourself up. Sometimes you'll feel like a deer running into a bunch of headlights where you just kind of stare at the screen and go, dadgummit, I missed out on a great trade. So let's get right to it. This is the SPX and the SPY. Usually the first things I trade every morning to see if the setup's there. And I was looking at the chart and I noticed that we had a nice little support level the day before. So I drew me a little line, a little price line all the way across this here, and hit all these bottoms. So I'm sitting here thinking, okay, we might pull back first thing this morning and hit this support line. And right when the bell rang, there we were. We were right at that support line, and I didn't have my platform up to trade. And I just kind of bit the bullet there. And we had a nice run after that. It could have been a real good trade, almost 800%. But this is called a double bottom, or it's called just a solid support from the previous day. So I used the previous day, and then your resistance line was just clear as could be. We had 3 white soldiers right out of the gate, and then it pulled back and hit that 200. Now, I've done a video here recently about the 200 SMA, and it's just a great support level when you're trading any kind of time frame. Even under this 1 minute, it fits just perfect. So we had 3 white soldiers, and it pulled back and hit that 200 SMA, and then another 3 white soldiers. We had another breakout, and then we held the cloud, which is the 9 and the 21 EMA. This is the 21, and that's the 9. Then she went ahead and run on up. And then we had another pullback to the 200 SMA. I took this trade. I was ready for it. But you need to be prepared. You need to dot all your I's. Make sure that you have that platform set up right at when the bell rings, because it wouldn't take a split second to jump in this trade and run this up and get out of that stock right at the third crow or the third soldier, and then jump right back in it at the 200. And that's what I usually do when I see 3 white soldiers. I'll go ahead and take my profit. This case, we consolidated on that third crow, and it had another bounce. And then we pulled back, we had 3 black crows. I jumped into it after the 3 black crows, and then I added on once we hit that 200, and we had a triple top up here. Actually, a good double top, but a good head and shoulders. And she went ahead and broke on out, kept on running, had a triple top. Then it came back and hit the 50 and the 63, and for a little bit, the 63 and the 50 were a solid support for little bitty scalps. But just be prepared when that bell rings. That's the message here. Look for the setup. The setup was perfect. As I said, we had a solid support the day before, right there at 73.84.41, and right at open yesterday morning, we notched that out, and then she went ahead and broke out. So my name's Washboardjim. I'm the founder of the Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy, where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. And have a great day.